Welcome, TMDDTM viewers, to another episode of Things My Dad Didn't Teach Me. Okay, so I want to do a quick video on why I love wheel exchange. So this was an old wheel, 19-inch chrome wheel that was on my wife's car. We were having a hard time keeping air in the tires, but as you can see, we had a lot of corrosion happening on the old chrome. And if you can actually see here, we actually had cracks in the old chrome. So we had a slow leak that was not being captured, but we were constantly having to put air in the tires every 3 or 4 days in order to maintain the air. So we kept going back and forth to Discount Tire, thinking the issue was with the tire. So they kept saying they couldn't find anything, but I discovered a company called Wheel Exchange where you can get online and see if you can find your exact wheel that exists. They'll send it out completely chrome and new. So we have this exact same wheel that I had mounted, and it was completely new, I don't know, it may have been refurbished, but the chrome and everything is perfect, so it's going to maintain the seal. So if you haven't heard about Wheel Exchange, by all means Google the Wheel Exchange, see if you can find your wheel set. I just purchased 2 wheels. I didn't do all 4 because I was only having problems with one for sure. We were questioning a second wheel. You can buy them in any set you want. You can buy 1 wheel or 4 wheels, but I'll show you here what they look like on the car now. But Wheel Exchange, they're out of Michigan. They send you a return package. They'll give you a box to send the old wheels in. The same box that the new wheels came in, you can return the old wheels in that box, and it's all part of the shipping package, total price. I think all in for the 2 wheels, I'm only going to be out of about $350 to $360, which I think is a great price. So I'll get $400 back because I'm returning these 2 wheels. So I think the total price was like $750 to $800 or something like that. But I'll be reimbursed once they receive these wheels back. So just thought I'd share that with you. I live in Arizona, so in Arizona they're not allowed to do chrome here, so I had to find someplace else that would work, so I didn't have to put a donut on the car to ship my original wheel back to have it redone. I just found the exact same set of wheels, purchased them, and now I'm sending them back, the old wheels. All right, so here we go. I'll show you what the wheels look like on my wife's car now. Okay, so here's my wife's Lincoln MKS. These are the new wheels that are actually on the car. I'll show you what the old wheel looks like. So old wheel, you can see here we've had the tires rotated and balanced a few times. No dings, looks brand new. Well, it is brand new, but the Wheel Exchange is worth checking out, guys. I'm not getting paid to promote this video at all. I just know, as a guy who likes chrome wheels, as you can see on my car here, it's nice to know that if I happen to have these issues, I can either send my wheels in or just see if I can find my exact wheel and purchase it and ship the old ones back to these guys. All right, hopefully this has been informative. God bless you. Thanks for watching another episode
of TMDDTM, things my dad didn't teach me. God bless.